Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we'll create a JavaScript program to count the number of vowels in a given string. Let's get started. Our task today is simple. It is to determine how many vowels are present in a string. For example, the string Python has only one vowel, while W3Resources.com has 5. Here's the code for the vowel count function. This function uses the replace method to remove all non-vowel characters from the string and then calculates the length of the remaining characters to count the vowels. We start by using a regular expression to filter out all non-vowel characters. The replace method removes everything except vowels. Finally, we use length to count the remaining vowels. In this example, the string Python contains just one vowel. The function processes the input and returns the count as 1. Now, let's take a more complex example. In the string W3Resources.com, the vowels are E, O, U, E, and O. That's a total of 5 vowels, which the function correctly identifies. Here's the ES6 version of the function. By using an arrow function, the code becomes more concise but retains its functionality. In summary, the vowel count function leverages regular expressions to efficiently count the number of vowels in a string. It's a great example of how powerful JavaScript can be for string manipulation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript. Happy coding!